What's up, everybody? Mark Radio of Body Elite here, and another installment of our basics and technique. What we're talking about today is the horizontal press, otherwise a push-up or a bench press, whatever you want to call it. There's some basics and technique here that hold true to no matter what form you're doing, whether you're doing a push-up, whether it's a bench press, a dumbbell press. There's certain things that you need to keep in mind when performing this movement, or else you're going to get hurt. And you're going to hear me say it a lot. It's all about alignment. Referencing 3 points of contact that we did in the first installment, which you should have watched before this, always keeping those 3 points of contact whenever you're doing a movement, whether it's a push-up and it's that hypothetical alignment, or whether it's a bench press and you're laying on a bench. Those 3 points of contact need to be instilled in your mind. So remember, the back of the head, between the shoulder blades, and the tailbone, with keeping the abs contracted. Those are the 3 points of contact. From there, we're talking about shoulder alignment with a horizontal press. A lot of people, what happens, they're stressed out, their job, whatever the case may be, they're working at a desk, their shoulder alignment is always up here. So the stress or the alignment and their shrug. We want to relax those shoulders. We don't want to be breathing through the chest all the time, raising up the shoulders. Pressing from here, you're going to get impingements in the shoulder. You want, again, to relax and try to get your shoulder as far away from your ear as you can. So none of this, relax the shoulders. That's the first step. Secondly, by doing that, you're automatically going to be pulling back the shoulders a little bit. A lot of times when you're shrugged, the shoulders come forward. So we want to, again, relax and almost imagine retracting the shoulder blades ever so slightly. That's going to, again, open up the shoulder joint and prevent impingements through your shoulder. So a wrong way would be here and pushing out. Right way is relax, chest up high, and then push out. Lastly, with the horizontal press, what we want to talk about is wrist, elbow, and gravity or the weight. So using this PVC pipe as the weight or the barbell, I should have an alignment with my wrist and my elbow directly behind the PVC pipe when I press. So when I bring it down to my chest, my elbow, my wrist, and that weight are all in one line. If I'm up higher, guess what? My elbows can flare out, but now my elbow has to stay in line with my wrist. It can't be in here where my elbow's outside. My wrist has to be in line with my elbow, and now everything's in one line. So it doesn't really matter too much where the angle of your arm is right here, whether it's here or in here. Just as what matters most is that elbow behind the wrist. So you're not here pressing, you're not here pressing, you're not even slightly off. You want that elbow right behind the wrist and pushing. Again, so whether you're in here, 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 my elbow is always behind my wrist. Those are the basics and technique for when doing a horizontal chest press. So going again, elbow, wrist alignment, in line with the weight or gravity, and you're just pushing up and down. And none of this, and no rounding forward. That's simple, guys.